हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। सो आज की वीडियो में हम 15 सितंबर से लेकर 21 सितंबर 2025 के टॉप 50 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वीकली करंट अफेयर्स रिवाइज करने वाले हैं। सो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन, in which state has the Baravi-Serang railway line being inaugurated? And the correct answer is Mizoram. Second question, which medal has been won by Jasmine Lamboria at the World Boxing Championships 2025? And the correct answer is gold medal. Third question, which country has appointed the world's first AI-generated minister? And the correct answer is Albania. Fourth question, who will host the 5th Coast Guard Global Summit in 2027? And the correct answer is India. Fifth question, the 10th Ayurveda Day 2025 will be celebrated in which state? And the correct answer is Goa. Sixth question, what was the main issue of the New York Declaration presented at the United Nations General Assembly? And the correct answer is peaceful resolution of the Palestinian crisis. Seventh question, where has APEDA opened its first regional office in Bihar? And the correct answer is Patna. Eighth question, the Gyan Bharatam portal has been launched by whom? And the correct answer is Narendra Modi. Ninth question, when is National Hindi Day celebrated? And the correct answer is September 14th. 10th question, who launched the AIMS Disha app? And the correct answer is JP Nadda. 11th question, which medal has been won by Meenakshi Hooda at the World Boxing Championships 2025? And the correct answer is gold medal. 12th question, who has been awarded the Rajbhasha Kirti Purushkar 2025 first? And the correct answer is Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances. 13th question, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated a bioethanol plant in which district of Assam? And the correct answer is Golaghat. 14th question, Justice M. Sundar has been appointed as the Chief Justice of which High Court? And the correct answer is Manipur High Court. 15th question, what is India's position in the medal tally at the ISSF World Cup 2025 China? And the correct answer is 5th position. 16th question, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has released a commemorative coin of rupees 100 to commemorate the centenary of whom? And the correct answer is Bhupen Hazarika. 17th question, when is Engineers Day celebrated in India? And the correct answer is 15 September. 18th question, International Day of Peace is observed every year on? And the correct answer is 21st September. 19th question, the foundation stone of India's first PM Mitra Park was laid in which state? And the correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. 20th question, who has become Bihar's first woman FIDE master WFM in chess? And the correct answer is Mariam Fatima. 21st question. India and United Nations FAO have joined hands to develop how many world-class blue ports under the pilot project? And the correct answer is 3. 22nd question. Which district in Bihar secured first rank in the Inspire Award scheme? And the correct answer is Muzaffarpur. 23rd question. What is the nickname of Ricky Hatton, the British boxing legend, passed away? And the correct answer is the Hitman. 24th question. Which country will build the Middle East's first integrated green ship recycling facility? And the correct answer is Oman. 25th question. Who was awarded the Holly Medal by the ASME on 15 September 2025? And the correct answer is Baba Kalyani. 26th question. Who authored the book Demography, Representation, Delimitation, the North-South Divide in India? And the correct answer is Ravi K. Mishra. 27th question. Which state became the first in India to issue ID cards to women self-help group SSG members? And the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. 28th question. After the September 2025 update, what is the total number of Indian sites in UNESCO's tentative list? And the correct answer is 69. 29th question. Which state government has launched the Anbu Karangal scheme for orphaned children? And the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. 30th question. Where was the World Tea Conference 2025 started for the first time? And the correct answer is Kochi. 31st question. Who will establish India's first private sector strategic petroleum reserve? And the correct answer is Mega Engineering. 32nd question. Saudi Arabia signed a NATO-based attack on one equal to attack on both defense agreement with which country? And the correct answer is Pakistan. 33rd question. Who was appointed as India's Executive Director ED to the Asian Development Bank ADB? And the correct answer is L. Satya Srinivas. 34th question. Exercise Jal Shakti was conducted by the Indian Army in which month of 2025? And the correct answer is September. 35th question. From which airport was Yatri Seva Divas 2025 launched? And the correct answer is Hindon Airport. 36th question. Who was reappointed as Executive Director of UN Women in September 2025? And the correct answer is Dr. Seema Sami Bahos. 37th question. Who became the first Indian payment aggregator to integrate Apple Pay for international transactions? And the correct answer is Razorpay. 38th question. International World Snake Bite Awareness Day is observed every year on? And the correct answer is 19 September. 39th question. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index GII 2025? And the correct answer is 38th rank. 40th question. Where is the 8th India International Tea Convention IITC 2025 being held? And the correct answer is Kochi. 41st question. Who has won the FIDE Grand Swiss Tournament 2025? And the correct answer is Vaishali Ramesh Babu. 42nd question. Which team won the title of Duleep Trophy 2025? And the correct answer is Central Zone. 43rd question. The 20th World Athletics Championship 2025 are being held in which city? And the correct answer is Tokyo. 44th question. Who has become the first woman Attorney General of Nepal? And the correct answer is Sabita Bhandari. 45th question. In which city was the 16th Combined Commanders Conference CCC reviewed by PM Narendra Modi? And the correct answer is Kolkata. 46th question. Ines Nistar recently participated in exercise Pacific Reach 2025 held in which country? And the correct answer is Singapore. 47th question. Where was the third vessel of the 5-ship diving support craft DSC 822 launched? And the correct answer is Kolkata. 48th question. Whose tenure as Executive Director of Punjab National Bank has been extended until March 2027? And the correct answer is M. Paramshivam. 49th question. World Bamboo Day is observed every year on? And the correct answer is 18 September. And the last 50th question. World Water Monitoring Day is observed every year on? And the correct answer is 18 September.